evening. How is everyone? How we doing tonight? Happy holiday days, because we're dazed and confused by the end of it. And certainly tomorrow is going to be the same thing when you go back to your 9 to 5 or 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., which I'm routinely guilty of. So pardon the mess. The hair is a little Farrah Fawcett-y. Just trying some things out because I do want to kick my YouTube channel off, and it seems this is the only way that you really can get some attention and subscribers, and that's pretty indicative of exactly why I am doing it. Indicative of why society needs to do a whole lot better than we have been. And if this is how I have to get you to pay attention, I guess that's fine. I'll try to monetize it. Maybe then I don't need to run a 5 a.m. to a 9 p.m. routinely and get to stay home with the girls more often. Wouldn't that be nice? Check out some Facebooks as Trisha Forbes, Trisha Forbes, and my new YouTube channel is going to be Reel, Reel space capital I apostrophe S, Real Eyes. And they have a picture of my old eyes, the non super duper winged beauties, because before I wanted to get a little bit on my fellow women and saying, what are we doing here? I had to try it out. I can't knock something until I try it, right? And it turns out these are freaking awesome. I feel like Wonder Woman with her superpower golden cuffs. I like them a lot. I might keep doing it. I did, nails sometimes. I do some makeup. Just whatever keeps you going for the day. Whatever the girls decide they like for the day. Whatever I can afford, which is pretty much anything anymore. So I get it. I get why you want to just live in this superficial monetary world. It's kind of cool sometimes. But I also see the other side of it. I see what it looks like when we are derelict in our duties and we don't pay attention and insist on due process of law. When we don't pay attention and insist that there isn't a centralized banking system coming right down the pipeline to be shoved down your throats. Because that's going to be scary. And even though I'm as recalcitrant as I am, I might not have anything I can do except for be here and take these loads. And yeah, I know, haha, very fucking funny, but make your jokes and your puns. And we're just gonna go, oh shoot, we missed our window of opportunity to fix this shit. We missed our window of opportunity because I was too lazy, because I wanted to, and fill in whatever your vice is, have my eyelashes done. I mean, we can do both. You can have these creature comforts. I like them too, obviously. I have nicer stuff than I have in my whole life. We can have creature comforts, but we also have got to get back to the fundamental building blocks that we were established on. And I have learned in 5 days almost as much as I have in the last 5 years. I am cramming. I am listening to any videos, YouTube, whatever anyone sends me. It's got to come in. We have got to take it in and put it in our brains and decide better. We got to decide better, because if you watched Biden's speech and thought that was normal to have red background with Marines in the background, and that's just hunky-dory, no. Flat out no, we don't do that. We don't threaten our citizens. Hochul did it too. She said, get out of New York, you're Republican, we don't want you. Don't minimize it to that. I am not right-wing, left-wing, blue, red. No, we don't do that. Because we are so officially screwed, we all have to come together. And I have been saying that. If you go to my YouTube channel, capital Reel space capital I apostrophe S, Real Eyes, because this is real, a movie, real. That's all we're watching. It has to be. There's no way in our lifetimes that this is legitimate. I can't accept that. It sounds so fabricated. It sounds so far off of what we're supposed to be doing, from legislative intent, from founding documents, from maybe just using your own noodle. I'd like to think that you have an opinion on the student loan situation. Mine is, I'm pretty sure none of us owe a single cent to anything. We're free, and we're going to be peaceful, and we're going to be productive, and we're all going to work together to make a better society. Yes, let's do that. Let's do that for sure. Oh, I just whispered creepy like he does too. Biden is just as illegitimate as it comes. He's a total puppet, and we have to know that by now, don't we? Otherwise, go to my Facebook is just destroyed. It really is awful. So I'm really trying to branch out. I don't think I can get as far as TikTok because that's CCCP, Chinese Communist Party, and we let our kids on it. I'm just as guilty because there is some good content on there, but it can't be, 95% garbage and only 5% good content. And they need to be made aware of that, especially going back to school now. We have to be diligent and protect these kids because that's our job, Mama. That's our job, Dad. And no one else is going to do it for us. I mean, you look at Uvalde. If that wasn't enough for you to go, maybe the Supreme Court has ruled that the police officers don't have a duty to protect us. Florida, the Florida one was bad too. Come on. It is time to wake up. We have to right now because the window is closing for change. Positive and influential and immediate change. We really can do it. I've followed so many amazing people and I have lots of good ideas too. So keep it up. I always end with, I love everybody. So kisses. And check out my channels because I want to start getting paid for it. And then I can really work on things quicker. It's really got a lot of advocacy. I don't know that I'm an auditor. I don't think that's true yet. Not in the video sense anyways. I definitely will take any document that you put in front of me and pick it apart. Like, why does the Livingston County Sheriff's Office have a $3,500 slush fund? Tom, what the fuck are you doing needing another $3,500 when we the people already give you 65,000 residents in Livingston County already pay the entire fee for the sheriff's department? Why do you need more money? Where's it going? Should I foil that? I think so. So have a great night. I will talk to you soon. REELI''S. Thanks. Love ya.